I'm Chris Pizarro. I'm an established artist and a graduate of Fine Arts, UST, Batch 87, painting class. When I was still a kid, talagang gusto ko mag-drawing. I really love to draw. Laging naipopost sa mga bulletin board ng elementary days. That's the start. I'm a freestyle artist kasi I don't limit myself to style. Kasi gusto nila ma-retain yung logo nila. Instead of doing the straight Bingo Plus logo, I put it something like this. Nakayakap dun sa logo niya. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng color. Kaya tayo nag-concept ng magandang kulay to make it more festive. The wavy colors resembles black. So, I created some sketches. So, nagkaroon ako ng several studies hanggang sa makuha namin yung final design. So this is for the white bag, and this is for the black na bag nila. I hope nagustuhan mo yung bag. It's not just a bag, it's a piece of artwork. And to the help of Art Circle Gallery for Bingo Plus Foundation. Thank you, Jen!